What is political science? Political science is study of political institutions and political behavior. The study of political institutions such as the effective design of electoral system on quality of representation in government, the formal and informal elements of legislative process and their implications for the making of the law, the impact of domestic political institutions on incidents of international conflict. Under the rubric of political behavior, political scientists study how and why people choose to participate in politics, the determinants of vote choice, the nature and origins of public opinion. For this reason, students studying political science develop a strong substantive understanding of both political institutions and behavior. They also learn the theories that help them understand the political world and the methods by which these theories are tested and refined. Political science students can also choose courses from different subfields of the discipline such as American politics, comparative politics, international relations, and pre-law. The study of institutions and behavior is central to these subfields, although the substantive emphasis differs. Normally, courses in American politics focus on domestic politics in the U.S., while courses in comparative politics examine government and politics in other nations. International relations classes address issues in foreign policy, international conflict, and the institutions intended to govern the interaction between nations. Pre-law classes involve legal institutions and the behavior of legal actors. Thus we can see the knowledge and skills acquired with the study of political science provide a strong foundation for graduate training in law, political science or other social sciences. Students graduating with a degree in political science can also pursue a wide variety of other careers such as public administration, corporate government affairs, campaign management or consultation, grassroots political organization, foreign service, journalism, lobbying and teaching.